Hello, this is David of Systra. Today we would like to make an EA that trades by specifying open and close of a position. The particular example specifies when to enter and exit a position. The strategy tells us to enter into a position from 6 until 6:01 and close a position at 7. The reason why the time is set until 6:01 is to guarantee the trade to be placed if there was to be a rejection for any reasons. It is important to understand the tree structure of each tabs to create an EA with EA cube. The tree structure is rather simple in basic mode. Set your conditions for the strategy and combine them to make a signal. Once your signal is ready, set your option and finalize your EA in the EA setting tab. The current slide is an outline for this example. The left side shows each process of EA cube's tabs and structures, while the right side shows each tab's title, category, and components. Before we move on, there's an important reminder. The titles we use here are written in our own terms. They may seem like coding languages, but they're just to help you understand what we are doing. You can always come up with your own titles, but it is a tip that you write the title in a way to help you remember what you are doing. There will be 4 steps. The first step will make a condition. The condition says there will be an entry of an order at 6 o'clock and exit of an order at 7 o'clock. First of all, let's set up the conditions to buy open position at 6 o'clock. Go to Condition tab. Let's fill out the title. Choose your category. Choose Buy Open for this example. Subtitle and give it a description. And in the direct input, set the hour to 6. One thing to remember is, in this particular example, by setting the hour to 6, the time range is not only allowing 6 o'clock exactly, but any time between 6 and 7. This means if the entry order is not made at 6 o'clock due to the market situation, the order can be triggered until 7 o'clock. In order to prevent any unwanted positions, we'll give another condition by setting another condition of less than 1 minute. So here, direct input 1 and confirm, less than. Click add. Now let's set the condition to close the position at 7 o'clock. Let's fill out the title again. It's a buy close. Give a subtitle. And a description here. Just like what we did before, use the hour, and this time we'll set it to 7 by using the direct input. For a closing order, because execution is more important than other conditions, we'll leave everything else untouched so that the position can be closed any time between 7 and 8. Now we see the conditions we've made. Second step, using the conditions we made so far, we'll make a signal. Now let's move to the EA Signal tab. Let's fill out the title. The category is the buy open, subtitle, and a description. Buy open signal can be made by combining the 2 buy open conditions. So the 6 o'clock one and less than 1 minute. Click on add. Now once again, choose the title. Give it a subtitle and a description. For by a close signal, set the already established by close condition. That was close at 7. And add. And you see the two signals here. Third step, we'll set an option here. We'll use the default as a basic, and because the condition or the option for closing will be the closing the trade at 7 o'clock, and that's it. So uncheck all the close options and title will be none. So for option, we'll use the default as a starter. However, because closing condition only deals with a closing order being sent out between 7 and 8, uncheck all the check boxes for close option. The title, it can be just none. And add. Now to the final step. Using the signals and options we've come up with so far, we'll finalize our EA. Now finally, let's go to EA setting tab. By using all the signals and options, we'll finalize our EA. So let's fill out the title. First, for closing option selection, select the option title we set already. Select the signal title for buy open and buy close sections. Then click the compile on the title that has appeared in the save list to create an EA file. Don't forget to save it under Experts folder.